HMD Global is planning to launch several smartphones in H1 2018. Among them, the Nokia 7 Plus, Nokia 8 Pro, and Nokia 9 smartphones. The Nokia 9 should be the best one among these, and today several renders are showing off its design. In this leak, we can see that Nokia 9 enclosed in some protective covers by Nokia, which is a popular case maker. The renders make us easily notice a curved edge to have screen. As for the design, we cannot see any bezels on the sides, but it could be because the cases are covering them. The display also has narrow bezels on the upper and the lower part, but there is space for the company logo under it. From one of the renders, it is possible to notice that the back cover is made of either glass or ceramic, while the frame seems to be made of aluminum. The color of the handset is a bit strange and unusual. On the rear side of the alleged Nokia 9, there is a dual camera setup in a vertical configuration. Under it, there is a fingerprint reader, while on the right we can see a LED flash. The volume rocker is placed on the right side, together with the power key. Considering that they have been published by a known case maker, we can give to this render a good level of reliability. Nokia 9 is expected to arrive with an octa-core Snapdragon 845 processor. However, there is no info about a possible launch at MWC 2018. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.